And if I knew the day we met, you'd be real.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for East Central Moore County, Southwestern Harnett County, Northwestern Cumberland County, South Central Lee County, Central Hope County, until 4 p.m. At 3:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Rayford, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Fort Liberty around 3:35 p.m. Pope Air Force Base around 3:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Olivia, Silver City, Spring Lake, Pineview, and Anderson Creek. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Cumberland, Harnett, Polk, Lee, and more.
WQDR